Hello my dear students, welcome to this online class. In this video we shall discuss about topographical map. We have already discussed the few things in the class. So basically in this video we shall discuss about four concepts. The first one is a grid reference. The second one is 4-figure grid reference. Third one is 6-figure grid reference. And fourth one is distance measurement. So let us discuss now grid reference. Grid reference. The vertical lines running from north to south are called eastings. And the vertical lines running from west to east are called northings. On the topo sheet, these eastings and northings are drawn in red lines. So you could see the vertical lines running from north to south, they will be known as eastings. You could see the number is increasing towards the east side from the point. So that is why it is known as easting. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. It's supposed to be 26 and 27 is misprinted from the textbook. So don't be confused of that. Then when we see northings are the horizontal lines. You could see it is running from west to east. And the number of these northings are increasing towards the north. 74, 75, 76, 77 and 78. So this how we know eastings and northings. Next concept is that 4-figure grid reference. The 4-figure grid reference, the first two digits of the grid will be of eastings and the last two digits are of the northings. So you could see there is a temple over there. One example is that what will be the 4-figure grid reference of this temple? First we should take, this is 25 and this is 75. So in this grid temple is located. So reading will be taken as 25, 75. Remember that when we take the reading of the object within the square, it should be from the southwest point or southwest corner. In that way, the 4-figure grid reference is taken as a reading. 6-figure grid reference. This is the few steps that you need to understand. In 6-figure, the first 3 digits are eastings and the last 3 digits are the northings. So there are some steps. I have already explained the steps in the class. Locate the 4-figure grid reference by using first 2 digits of the eastings and then northing. So we know that what is 4-figure grid reference. So first you need to find out 4-figure grid reference. Write these 2 eastings, leave 1 dash, and then 2 northings, leave 1 dash. For finding out the third digit, that is easting, and 6th digit, that is northings, draw the lines from bottom line and left line intersecting to the middle of the symbol. So where the symbol is there, from there you should draw the right angle from easting side as well and from northing side as well. The left line and the bottom line should make exact right angle. Then the bottom line has to be measured for the easting. Measure the easting, that is to say bottom line south of the object, side of the given symbol with the help of scale. And you could see that in the scale 20 lines will be there because each grid will be having 2 centimeter. Then in which line the symbol is meeting, intersecting, count that and divide into 2. That has to be divided by 2, and that will be the answer of the third figure grid reference and the sixth figure grid reference. That will be third digit of easting. The next one is measure the northing, the left line, that is to say left side of the symbol, that is west side of the symbol, with the help of scale, and where the symbol is again intersecting with the lines between the 2 centimeter, you need to count it and divide by 2. That will be the sixth digit of northings. Let's take example over there. Here the station A or point A. First need to find out 4 figure 9, 7 and 2, 8. Here 9, 7 and 2, 8. Since this symbol is to the southwest corner of the starting point, both the side it will be having 0. Eastings also will be having 0 and the northing also will be having 0. The next example is that B is 9, 8, 3, 1. So the symbol is to the corner of the grid square. You can see, you can take approximately it is, or you need to measure with the scale. It will come 9. That means 18 or 19 will be coming in the scale. So need to divide by 2. So it will be coming as 9. For northings, this left line is measured. So it will also will be coming as 9. 18 or 19 also will be coming. Divided by 2, it will be coming as 9 answer. So the 6 figure grid reference of B will be 982319. Station C could see 0025. And when we calculate the bottom line for easting, it will be coming 10. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 5 will be the answer of this. And this side also you could see it is from in the center of the square. So it will be coming 10 divided by 2 will be 5. So first of all you need to make angle, then only exact reading of 6 figure grid will be taken. Now moving towards distance measurement. In distance measurement there are 2 ways to measure distance. First one is measurement of direct distance, or it is also known as straight distance or as the crow flies. First step is that mark 2 points on the map between which the distance is to be measured. So question will be asked, measure the distance from a particular village to another village. So 2 points have to be marked. Measure the distance with the help of a divider or a scale between the given points on the map. Now when you measure with the help of scale and the divider, scale is very convenient, so you need to use scale between 2 points. Now calculate the total length of the distance. So what will be the coming as in centimeter, there has to be divided by 2, converting into kilometers. So when we measure in scale on the map, it will be coming as in centimeter, and that has to be converted into kilometer. For that you need to divide by 2. If it is coming 10 centimeter, it will be divided by 2, will be having 5 kilometer. So this is the distance on the ground between the 2 points. Let's see one example over there. Let's see measuring distance in a straight line as the crow flies. So here village Gulabganj is there, and here Pithapura village is there. So see the settlement, don't see the name of this village. It is a settlement over here, the red boxes that is shown there. and here also settlement is there. So from this center point to this village center point, directly it has to be measured. Is it clear? So it will be coming 2.5 kilometer when you divide by 2. Next is indirect distance. In indirect distance, we need to use thread. So measurement of indirect distance is take a piece of thread and mark the point with pen which shows the starting point. So for the starting point and the ending point, you need to mark it with the help of pen. You should know the limit of measurement, starting point and the ending point. Spread the thread along the line following each curve till the last line. Then along with the roads it may be asked, along with the rivers it may be asked, or along with the canals it may be asked to measure the distance. Spread the thread from the starting point. Use your fingers, index finger, left and the right hand of the index finger, and spread over the roads or canals it is being asked. At last, need to mark with the pen, and that thread, how much you have measured the given area. Now stretch the thread along the scale to give the length. The same thread has to be spread on the scale and measure it whether it is coming how many centimeter. Suppose it is coming 12 centimeter. So the same process, same method has to be again done calculations. As it is coming 12 centimeter, it has to be divided by 2 and converted into kilometer. That will be 6 kilometer. Now calculate the total length of the distance measured dividing by 2. This is the distance on the ground between the 2 points. You could see here measuring distance of a curved, this is road, this is not road, this is river with a thread is given wrong, so remember that is not road. So this is a river over there. So there is a starting point here, it is marked with a pen, and this ending point marked with pen. So from here, or the center and beginning point of the thread you could take. So spread along this every curve and very carefully need to spread it and measure the this river channel. So spread along this and slowly, very carefully come to the ending point. There you mark with the pen, and this thread has to be measured in the scale. The scale it has to be measured, how much it is coming has to be converted into kilometer, and that will be the answer of the distance of this indirect distance. Hope you understood all this concept. Any queries, any doubt is there, please do ask personally in the WhatsApp group or in WhatsApp number.